Bring warmth to the face and brighten your complexion with the XIP Professional 24 Karat Glow Blissful Bronzer and Pink Satin Blissful Blusher. Apply bronzer to the areas where the sun would naturally hit your face. Starting with the forehead, apply a light dusting of bronzer along the hairline. Sweep the matte bronzer in the hollows of your cheeks and then down towards your jawline. To add a glamorous golden glow to the face, apply the shimmer bronzer to the top of the cheekbones. Apply a very light dusting of matte bronzer to the bridge of your nose. To add a rosy glow to the face, smile and apply the matte pink blusher to the apples of your cheeks, blending well upwards towards the ears. Finally, for a pretty pink glow, apply the shimmer blusher to the top of the cheekbones. This is such a pretty way to perk up your complexion.